Dear students, today we will discuss about the energy level diagram for O2, F2, etc. In last lecture, we have already studied about the energy level sequence for molecular orbitals. Now today we will discuss about the energy level diagram for O2, F2, etc. If 1s if 1s of one atom and 1s of another atom is taken, then they form two type of molecular orbital. One is the bonding and another is the anti-bonding. Like this. 1s, if 1s of one oxygen atom and 1s of another oxygen atom mixed together, overlap together, then they form two type of molecular orbital. One is the sigma 1s, one is sigma 1s and another is sigma star 1s. It is increasing order of energy level because we know that bonding molecular orbital have a high less energy level than anti-bonding molecular orbital. This one is the anti-bonding molecular orbital. It has a high energy level than bonding molecular. Similarly, if 2s of two oxygen atom or two F atoms are overlap to each other, then 2s and 2s of another same type of atom, then they form two type of molecular orbital like this. Sigma star sigma 2s and sigma star 2s. Bonding, sigma 2s is the bonding and sigma star 2s is the antibonding. Similarly, if two p orbitals are taken, then what happens? Two p orbitals are taken like this. 2p orbital of one atom and here 2p orbital of another atom. 2p orbital of another atom. Then what happens? It forms six type of molecular orbitals like this. Sigma 2pz, sigma 2pz. Similarly, this is the sigma 2pz. Pi 2px, pi 2py. These are pi 2px and pi 2py. Another molecular orbitals are pi star 2px, pi star 2py, and at last sigma star 2pz is formed. Sigma star 2pz is formed. In this way, when three orbitals of 2p and 3 orbitals of 2p of another oxygen or fluorine atom overlap together, then they form 6 type of hybrid orbitals. 6 type of molecular orbitals, which is like this: sigma 2pz, pi 2px, pi 2py, pi star 2px, pi star 2py, and sigma star 2pz. It is increasing energy level of molecular orbital. It is increasing energy level of molecular orbital. Increasing energy level of molecular orbital. It is means ki this energy level diagram is applicable for O2, F2, etc. If we want to draw energy level diagram for N2, C2, etc., then pi 2px and pi 2py, these two molecular orbitals are shifted at the place of sigma 2pz. This sigma 2pz shifted to the pi 2px, pi 2py, and these molecular orbitals shifted to the sigma 2pz. It is major difference between the energy level diagram of O2, F2 and C2, N2, etc. So this one is the energy level diagram for different type of molecules. Now let us consider if oxygen molecule is taken, if O2 molecule is taken, and if you want to draw energy level diagram for oxygen molecule, then we know that atomic number of oxygen is 8. That's why in each oxygen atom 8 electrons are present, and if we draw electronic configuration of oxygen atom, then 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, 8. So 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. Now what happened? 2 electron is present in this 1s of one atom and 2 of this another oxygen atom, and 2 in 2s also 2 electron in each atom of oxygen is present in 2s, and in 2p orbital 4 electrons are present. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what happened? When 1s overlap together, then they form sigma 1s and sigma star 1s, bonding and anti-bonding. Here 2 electrons are present and here 2 electrons are present. Similarly, 2s overlap to each other. Here also 2 electron and here also 2 electron. Now if 4 electrons of 2p and 4 electron of 2p intermix together, then what happens? 2 electrons are present in this one and 2 electrons are present in these 2 orbitals also, and 1 electrons present in pi star 2px and pi star 2py. 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. Each 2p orbitals have a 4 electrons. That's why in molecular orbitals 8 electrons are present, to 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. 1 electrons present in pi star 2px and pi star 2py. In last molecular orbitals, one electrons are present. That's why O2 molecule is paramagnetic in nature. It is paramagnetic in nature because we know that if unpaired electrons are present in outermost molecular orbital, then that molecule is paramagnetic in nature, and if paired electrons are present, then that is a diamagnetic in nature. If we want to prepare energy level diagram for O2 plus only, O2 plus only, O2 plus only, O2 plus only. Then what happen? If you want to O2 plus only. So for O2 plus, one electron is removed from here, this one. And if you want to write down energy level diagram for O2 minus, then what happen? This and this, like this. So it is energy level diagram for different type of molecular structure. Now we will discuss most important thing, that is stability of molecular structure on the basis of BU, bond order. So first we need to calculate BU, bond order of any molecule. How can we calculate BU, bond order of any molecule? First we need to study about the calculation to find out bond order of any molecule. Similarly, if you want to write down electronic configuration of other molecules like F2, so with help of such type of diagram we can show electronic configuration of F2 also. Now, first we will discuss about the bond order. Bond order. First we will discuss about the bond order, BU. Bond order. Bond order. Bond order, BU. Bond order of any molecule, BU, bond order of any molecule is equal to the half of number of electrons in bonding minus number of electron in anti-bonding molecular orbital. BU, bond order, is equal to the half of difference of electron in bonding and anti-bonding molecular orbital. BU is equal to 1 by 2 NB minus NA. NB minus NA. BU bond order is equal to 1 by 2 NB minus NA. Number of electron in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electron in anti-bonding molecular orbital. Now, if BU is equal to 0, then molecule cannot exist. If BU is equal to 0, molecule cannot exist. Cannot exist. If BU is equal to plus 1 by 2, then molecule exists for very short interval of time. That is highly unstable. Molecule exists for very short interval of time. That is highly unstable. Highly unstable. highly unstable. If bond order is equal to 1, then number of bond between two atom is 1. Means single covalent bond. Single covalent bond. Single covalent bond. If BO is equal to 2, then double covalent bond. Double covalent bond. Double covalent bond. BO is equal to 3, then triple covalent bond. Triple covalent bond. So in this way, on the basis of BO bond order, we can find out stability of any molecular structure. Now, if you want to find out bond order BO of N2 molecule, N2. So we know that in N2 14 electrons are present because atomic number of nitrogen is 7. Then sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, pi 2px is equal to pi 2py, pi star pi 2px is equal to pi 2px, sigma 2pz, pi star 2px is equal to pi star 2py, and then sigma star 2pz. Sigma star 2pz. Now, how electrons filled in these molecular orbitals? So 2 to 4 to 6, 2 to 4 to 6 to 8 to 10 to 12, to 10 to 12 and to 14. How many electrons are accommodated? 2 to 4 to 6 to 8 to 10 to 12 to 14. Now BO is equal to BO bond order is equal to 1 by 2 number of electron in bonding. So how many electrons are present in bonding? 2 to 4 to 6 to 8 to 10. 10 electrons are present in bonding and 4 electrons are present in anti-bonding. Sigma star 1s2 and sigma star 2s2. So 4 electrons are present in anti-bonding. Now 1 by 2 into 6 is equal to 3. Hence, in between two nitrogen atom, triple bond is present. Triple bond is present. That's why BO is equal to 3. Bond order is equal to 3. So dear students, with help of calculation of BO, we can find out number of covalent bond in between two atoms. If bond order is equal to 1, then between two atoms single covalent bond present. If BO is equal to 2, then between two atom double covalent bond is present, and if BO is equal to 3, then in between two atom triple covalent bond is present. And with help of bond order, we can find out stability of molecular structure also. If we are going to calculate BO of He2, then BO of He2 is equal to 0. Hence, molecule does not exist. And we already know that He2, helium cannot exist in diatomic molecular structure. That's why we can say that with help of bond order BO, calculation of bond order, with by electronic configuration of molecules, we can find out stability of different molecular structure. Bu is equal to 1 by 2 and V minus Na, number of electron in bonding minus number of electron in